So let's do it. New York session. Market structure. So today, getting ready to buy, or it should be going up right now. Probably just for a little bit because we're still in the downtrend. $15-minute market structure. So yeah, do something like that. Yeah, just get on 103. Original entry though. Down this downtrend. Let's say we can see it to right here. Would have been like, seeing this New York session with your buy. It broke this low and it got to retrace, come back up here. This New York session is your sell. The fib will show you that. Look at that. I'm supposed to have like a 0 or something like that. I don't know. But, then this New York session here. You'll buy. Retrace. I mean, this New York session, you could have got in, but your stop loss would have just been cool right here. Or you had the next New York session was over here. But original entry up here. Sell. This went up a little bit past New York. But let's just say only New York session. You know, retraced. It's the week. We just had to held it. No, it's right here. It's New York session here. Catch every move every day, all day. Lips might be dry. Oh, here. Oh, I know the field. No, show entry. Boom. 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 By here. Flip this. Went up twice actually. Yeah. Boom. 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 I'm gonna explain that, then I'm gonna let y'all. Yeah. So I should sell here. Should buy here. Flip this. I mean, it broke it, so that was the new low. Well, yeah, that was the new low. Then when it's closed like this, it broke above this too, so you'll be sitting between this high and this low. So me personally, I wouldn't have got in this trade until came above this. And guess what? Low, high, sell trend. Look, sell this for, show you, no cap, 40 pips. It can be a 1 or 3 for me and you. Then it's an uptrend, right? So take your fill, boom, you buy in this New York session. Well, I already got the little thing right there, but show fill, and it is more than 1 or 3. That's if held. Normally, all I need right here. this, filled that up, broke that, came down, broke this. So buy this, and then we're gonna fib it and get ready to sell it. Sometimes you don't even gotta buy it up. You can just be like, hold up. Dang. I don't know where that 0 at. Hold on. There you go. There we go. So yeah.